Hi everyone, this is Kichibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will do another reaction video from SB19. Without further ado, let's all watch this. Collaboration of the year. Eh, si Joshi, gwapo ni Joshi. Ang ganda ng collaboration nila, which is really deserved talaga.
Grabe yung collaboration na to.
Mm-mm.
Be with a legendary artist.
Ang ganda talaga ng collaboration nila na ganun. Ginawa ko ng reaction video yun
Sa
eh.
award na to, sobrang laki po ng binigay nyo sa aming achievement for this one.
Talaga ba, Josh? Okay, what's next?
Designers, Filipino fashion,
Filipino artists.
Filipino
Siyempre,
artists.
Filipino tayo, sabi ni Tayo naman. And Uncle mo, JR.
Ay, nagpe-pray si Stel? Nagpe-pray ba si Stel? Ay, nagpe-pray si Stel. I love that. Nananayo ang malahibo. Pag nakakakita ko ng mga ganyan.
Hip-Hop Song of the Year Award goes
Which awards? Ito yun.
And the Wish Song Collaboration of the Year is...
And the winner of the Wish
And the
Ballad
winner.
Song of the Year is... And the exclusive ballad performance
My God,
of
ang
the
daming
Year Award
awards.
goes to...
What is ang daming awards for today's video?
Year is...
Hindi mo kaya.
And the Wish Artist of the Year is...
And the wish choice.
Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
Josh Collin, get right!
Hey, love that. I love that for you guys.
SB19 and Glock 9, Kalaban!
Ay, kalakal. Deserve.
Del, di ko masabi.
Hindi mo masabi ang kantang yun.
SB19!
The performance of the year, ilaw. Hapot award naman pala for today's video.
Si Stel!
Stel. Paka-casual naman si
Thank you so
Stel.
much po sa...
Pablo,
Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
Pa-Philip natin for today's video. Okay, i-skip natin to. Picture lang. Ayun si Stel. Stel, una nagwagay ng 3 awards agad ang inuwi. Grabe. Grabe. 3 agad ang inuwi. Ay, don't tell me si Stel yan. Breakthrough Awards. Stel. Nakaka-proud sila. No? She was. Stel. Hello. I love it.
And the Wish Artist of the Year is...
Pablo,
Pablo.
Accepting the award on behalf of Pablo are...
Ay. Tuwang-tuwa ang fan.
Entertainment and Irmay Ledesma, Marketing and Accounts Director, 1Z Entertainment.
Of course, Papi yan eh. Yun lang, wala si Papi. Hindi siya magsispeak. Sad. Hindi tayo magiging sad. Kailangan intindihin for today's video ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay.
Everyone. So he said, first off, I want to thank Wish Music Awards for creating a platform that celebrates and uplifts OPM artists. It is
Sino
truly
yung
an honor to be
nag-speech?
part of a community where music connects us all. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko to ine-expect kasi lahat ng nominated deserving manalo. Gayun pa man,
Talaga the humility of SB19. Sa totoo lang. The humility talaga. You can never questions about the humility.
ng mga awitin.
And
Hotdogs. Hotdogs lang, hindi ba 18? Hotdogs lang. Paano naman?
Sa buhay niyo, to walk,
Pero nakakatik din kasi ako minsan ni Papi.
as we always say, atin to.
Ito.
This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. This one is for all of us. Let's go!
Let's go. Kung kuha niya yung let's go ni Pablo. Kung kuha niya yung let's go ni Pablo. Anyways. Ay, ito yung arrival nila. Ang ganda ng fashion statement ni Josh. Uy, alam niyo ba yung shoes ni Josh na New Balance yung sobrang laki? Gusto ko talagang bumili ng gano'n. Sinisearch ko lahat. New Balance big shoes, mga gano'n. Wala akong makita. Wala akong makita sa search. Ay, bongga naman pala. Ay, bakit naglo-loading tayo? Hindi tayo maglo-loading for today's video. Hindi pwede. Hindi tayo pwede mag-loading for today's video. Or baka mabigat lang yung file dito.
The exclusive ballad performance of the year award goes to...
Gusto ko makita yung reaction nila dyan.
And the exclusive ballad performance of the year award goes to... No other than... SB19!
SB19. Day 8 lang. No, pero ang ganda ng suit ni
Una po,
ni Stel.
gusto namin magpasalamat sa sumusuporta po sa amin. 18. Kung wala ang 18, walang SB19. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat po ng naniniwala sa grupo namin, mula noon hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat. Wish
Deserved. You really deserved it.
Actually, nandun po
Ay,
talaga ako sa face na...
Ang ganda ng hanggang ngayon niya na kinanta, swear.
Boses ko, parang ganun, nasa ganung isip ko ako. Pero I think dahil nakita na ng tao yun sa akin, I mean, may choice ako to let go of it. Pero hindi ko naging trademark na rin siya sa buhay.
Oo, trademark mo yun. Huwag mong i-let go. Paano
Hindi
naman
naman ako
kami?
nag-close ng door. I'm
Huwag mong
always,
i-let go.
there, nakikinig po ko sa mga sinasabi ng tao and mga naririnig ko na sinasuggest sila. So, very open naman po ako. And kung magkakaroon man po talaga ng possibility na mag-release ng something, why not po? And super willing po ako to surprise. Lagi naman po ganun. So, excited po ako kung ano pa po yung papasok sa isip ko na gawin ko for the fans and of course, para sa mga listeners.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower.
Ang lakas ng dating nila. Ang gwapo naman. Ang gagwapo naman yan for today's video. Anyways, kumanta pala dito. Uy, gagawin ko to ng reaction video. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our SB19 compilation. This is KGM Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!